My dear students, today's class, let us see fourth chapter. In your PUC second year, in your course book, already I explained 3 chapters, and today fourth one. Let us try to understand whatever in that fourth chapter we can study. As you all be knowing that each chapter may be poems, all that may be chapters will have a different type of content. Maybe writers, poets, they will keep idea, thought on their written chapters. Today's, as a science students, is related, totally related regarding environment. In this chapter we can see. Let us see here, fourth one. Everything I need to know I learned in the forest by Vandana Shiva. So, title itself, by reading this title itself, we comes to know that, see, everything I need to know. She came to know. I learned in the forest. She learned about forest. Everyone will have in their life inspiration from other. But here, forest itself has inspired her to learn, to know about that what given nature, forest, nothing but given nature on this beautiful earth. So, that is what it. So, she want to know, I need to know, I learned in the forest. So, it is essay. In this essay, she tells about from beginning how she involved totally in that forest to know. Means she came to know that it is essential. As we are human beings, we should be aware of nature, environment. So, forest, that she want to completely tell, she want to explain, keep her idea in this essay. And even we can say that it is in the form of autobiographical essay. She tells how she grown in that forest and how it has inspired her and enlarged his perspective towards forest, that we can see. A small introduction. Vandana Shiva wrote this article for the issue titled "What Would Nature Do?" Nature Do. Winter 2012 of Yes Magazine. It is clear This what essay she wrote in the form of article, lekana, article, and the title of this article is what? What would nature do? Question mark. And it has published in this magazine, Yes Magazine, Winter 2012 of Yes Magazine, monthly magazine and famous magazine. In that magazine, this article has published and present in your textbook. It is as a fourth chapter we are going to learn. She is an internationally renowned activist, active person for biodiversity. Biodiversity. Please remember few words while reading this chapter. So, biodiversity, Jiva Vaividyate, biodiversity, and against corporate globalization. We know that corporate globalization, because of globalization, how we are losing this water, we are just losing what? This biodiversity, means impacting on nature in this chapter. Maybe what? Even living things, biodiversity, different type of living organisms, because of what? Corporate globalization. So, we know that LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization, how it is impacting on this nature as well as on animals, birds, all the living organisms which they are leading happy life on this gifted earth. So, she want to tell how it is, in which direction we are moving, that she want to explain in a detail. So, that is what here we can see. Then next we can see this water. In this essay, Vandana Shiva first tells us how she learned about environment. So, in the beginning, we can see how she learned. She has become near to what? Nature. Okay, we will see. We will observe this what? Forest. But we have to understand that nature. She is telling in this article, Vandana Shiva first tells us how she learned about environmentalism for the uneducated women of Garhwal, Himalaya. It is a region in Uttarakhand. It was in Uttar Pradesh, now Uttarakhand. Garhwal, a famous, even today also, once it was famous. We can enjoy by seeing a beautiful scenario in that part. How we have in Karnataka a separate region what I will say, area, Kalyana Karnataka, like that in Uttarakhand, this water, Garhwal, Himalaya. So she want to tell, from the uneducated woman of Garhwal, Himalaya, uneducated, see, why she particularly wrote that uneducated. They may have what? This one, wisdom, may not what? Educated. They know a value of what? Forest, but they may not be what? Educated. But majority educated people, what they are doing towards that what? Nature. We know very well. From the uneducated woman of Garhwal, Himalaya, that people who are staying in that water part, she learned more about forest. She become environmentalist. Later, afterwards, Vandana learned all the major ideals of a good life from the forest. Good life. See, that is what here. Good life. Inspiration from that water, nature, forest. She learned ideals of a good life from the forest. So, innovative ideas will come when we are in that water, forest, not in a public place. We cannot get. Usually, we know that all the educational institutions will be, means especially universities, what we say, far away from city life, to enlarge, to get innovative ideas. So, that power is there in this, in that nature. That is what here. Good life from the forest. They are, see here they are. Let us see first one here. Diversity of life forms and the need to accept diversity as the principle of life. So, here diversity, variety of life in the world, diversity. Not only we the women beings are not leading this life, we are not leading so many together the life with the different living organisms. We have to move. So, that is what she want to say. Diversity of life forms and the need to, we have to accept. We as a superior on this earth, usually when we get stage, we will give a long speech on nature, on what animal and plant kingdom. But when the matter goes deeper and deeper, we will be, means we, human beings, we are neglecting our nature and we are keeping far away, that thinking that we are the superior. So, that is what here. Need to accept diversity as the principle of life. That should come in everyone. Then only we can go near to this what? Nature. Earth is our mother and not just raw material to be exploited. We need to live in harmony with nature. So beautiful. It's really, as a science students, you have to imbibe line by line. Here is our mother, earth. Mother who gives life. When we come on this world, that earth also becomes what? Mother. Earth is our mother because today we are what? Breathing because of nature. Where the nature, it is on earth. So earth is our mother and not just raw material. Natural resources which comes from earth. What we have to do? We have to think it in this way. See, earth is our mother and not just raw material to be exploited. We are exploiting this what? Raw material, natural, gifted one. We are destroying what? Forest, nature, even air. We are day by day pollution. We can see not only in water, even in air also, breathing. So many people, different type of diseases. It is spreading because of what? Here, pollution which it is taking in air, water and what here? Resource, natural resource which we get as a gifted on this earth. Raw material to be exploited. We are exploiting. Earth is our mother and not just raw material to be exploited. We need to live in harmony. We have to live peace, harmony with nature, not harming, with lot of peace. We have to protect nature. So, generation after generation, our ancestor, they tried to protected this nature and still today we are what? Living happy life on this earth. But coming generation, future, if we destroy now itself, what about a coming generation? It will become very difficult to lead a life. As we know that today, present, everybody they are what? Fear, maybe created. Even if it is become in that we are fear even to come out of our houses. From whom it has happened? And we are in 21st century. In this developed, scientifically developed we are, and on the other side, what we are doing? Only giving speech, telling is not enough. We have to follow. So that is what here. Harmony with nature. We have to love this nature. That is what here Vandana Shiva want to tell. And earth democracy. Respecting the freedom of all species of life to evolve and live together. Live together. Earth, democracy. Democracy. Prajaprabhutva. Democracy. Earth democracy. See, earth democracy. ಬರೇ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೀವರಾಶಿಗಳು ಸಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥ ಸಮರ್ಥ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ comfort, if we think, that is not a life, and coming days will be so tough. Earth democracy, respecting the freedom of all species, living organisms, maybe whatever, whichever on this earth, if they have life, freedom, we have to give what? Freedom for them. Not only we have rights to live on this earth, they too have. God has not created only human beings. He has created all species of life to evolve and live together. Together we have to go. Not killing. The day may come. Endanger animals. You know, you may be knowing that. Endanger animals. Today, some animals, birds, they have totally perished, destroyed, even we cannot see. Day may come, the day may come, maybe for our kids, showing what? Photos. Rabbit ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಕಿವಿ 4 ಕಾಲು. This type will be there, rabbit. Day may come, so we have to aware, we have to protect. That she want to tell. Vandana Shiva want to tell. See, earth democracy, respecting the freedom of all living organisms, whatever it may be. We have to, we should not show our dominancy on that what? Animals which they cannot speak. Of life to evolve and live together. We have to love. We should not avoid. That is the what here Vandana Shiva want to tell in this essay. Next one, D. The Indian tradition to ecology as recognized by Tagore, Rabindranath Tagore. Beginning, specifically famous poet, first Nobel Prize winner Rabindranath Tagore has taught and explained lot on this what? Ecology. Study of what here? Environment. How we have to become part and parcel of in this given environment. He has taught. Great poet Rabindranath Tagore. So, the Indian tradition to ecology has recognized by Tagore the culture. Here in India, it is culture. We By ancestor it has come, culture. What? Respecting, loving towards what? Nature. ಈ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಪುರಾತನ ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಟಾಗೋರ್ ಟಾಟ್ ಹಸ್. The Indian tradition to ecology has recognized by Tagore the culture. It is what? Culture, our culture. Equal importance to all living organisms. That is what. Then this is what? Please remember A, B, C, D. 4 these points, they are very important, that we can see in this essay further. And in this essay we can extract 6 different passage we can see. She has given a subtitle of this main chapter, means main title. Main title is what? Everything I need to know I learned in the forest. That is what main inspiration her to understand forest. Then further we can what? In this chapter you please go through, you read, you come across this what? Part, divide. They have divided in a 6 what? Extract. We can see the 6 extracts from this essay. First one, her ecological journey, where she has started her journey, how she got inspiration from that forest. Her ecological journey, that we can see. We know that, we have read that Garhwal, that part, that area, that region made her to learn about forest. So her journey started with uneducated women. They know that what are the problems they started facing because of corporate globalization. That is the thing. Her ecological journey, first extract, we can see thoroughly in next class. Here you have to remember, and even in your textbook, go through, you comes to know very well. But I will explain one by one in a detail. So next here, beyond monocultures. At the same time, she want to focus on monoculture, cultivation of single crop. Think it beyond, she want to tell. Monoculture, agriculture, sericulture, that we can see a different type of what here? Sector. So monoculture, beyond monoculture, basically fathers and forefathers, they adopted growing single crop in their field. Traditional agriculture system that we are seeing in our present, not before 30-40 years, but today some changes we can see in agricultural sector. Then monoculture, there also we can see rights of nature on the global stage, not only to a particular place, country, global, rights of nature, with full of lot of studies, and we have kept, not only we, all countries, they wrote what? Constitution. In that constitution, that everyone will have right to live with freedom. What about nature? They do have rights on this earth, but we are not thinking, bothered about that, what nature. So that she want to tell in this extract. See, rights of nature, they too have rights for the purpose of what? Wood, a beautiful furniture, for the purpose of what we are doing? We are cutting trees, deforestation. The day may come that what? Completely this forest will not be there, nature will not be there. Afforestation and deforestation. ಗಿಡ ಮರಗಳು ದಿನಗಳು ಬರಬಹುದು. It is very difficult to find even a single tree. How Thar desert in Rajasthan, we will not find trees. Like that, all over India it may come. Our duty, our rights to protect nature. So, rights of nature on the global stage, all over the world. It is essential to protect nature, forest. That is what she want to explain in this what third extract. When we come to what? Fourth, the dead earth world view. Dead earth. How, in which direction we are moving? Dead earth. Simple example. Even we can find in our Raichur district itself. If we go on using continuously 20 to 30 years chemical fertilizers, that land become dead. Natural fertilizer is different, chemical fertilizer is different. We may get surplus, yield, but see the what? Soil, which we say earth. This earth will become what? Dead. Even we will not be growing anything on this earth. If we not grow, and we cannot have food. So that is what dead earth world view. What nature teaches. What nature teaches. Nature will give lot of heavenly pleasure, but we should find from that nature. But nowadays, even how it has become our life, even at the night time, we don't have a time to just look up and see the sky, how it will be looking. That time also we are not finding. Always what? Just neglecting that given nature. That is what here. what nature teaches. So, on those days, who want to become intellectual, who want to do meditation, they will be not doing on roads, populated places. They used to go what? Deep into the forest and have to getting what intellectual, innovative ideas they used to go for meditation. So that is what here nature. The poetry of the forest. Poetry. The poetry of the forest. We can see even Rabindranath Tagore, John Keats, William Wordsworth, so many writers, they get what? Inspiration, thought, idea to what? Write a good concept, a philosophy to keep in front of everyone. This what? Forest is essential. It will make us, it will make us to get a brilliant idea from what here? A person. So, for that this forest is essential. So, that is what here. See, in this introduction class, you may be understanding a main content theme of this essay. Her main intention is to describe about what? Nature, forest. At the same time, she want to point out how we are all destroying. Already time passed and it has come, still time is there to protect. For this protection of this what? Nature, forest, she wrote article in that Yes magazine, and it has become essential to follow what the concept she kept in this essay. So, that is what here I want to give idea what will be the main content in this essay. So, in my next class we can see one by one. So, maybe the what? Her ecological journey, monoculture, rights of nature on the global stage, dead earth world view, what nature teaches, the poetry of the forest. That is what here. That in a detail, one by one, that I will explain. And one thing, you have to read textbook, then you can understand very well, and whatever the question they may give, you can write it easily. And remember, if you are perfect this essay, 1 mark compulsory question will be asked, and even this 4 marks paragraph. If they asked in a paragraph, then long question means 6 marks. One question will be asked for this what? 6 marks. If it is not there in paragraph question 4 marks, it will be there in this what 6 marks question. If it is there in 6 means 6 plus 1 mark question, 7 marks will be there. If not 7, 4 plus 5, paragraph 4 marks and 1 mark from that what 1 mark question, 5 marks. Think it and be up to date. Whatever I will explain in this online classes, be up to date. Already 4 exercises means from grammar portion I completed, and already in this course book 3 chapters I have completed, it is the 4th one. And be up to date, read once or twice, then you will understand. If not, when you come, I will explain in this what which you have not understood, which maybe paragraph you have not understood. So, next class, in my next class, I will take remaining part. Thank you.